We're here at Collegetown Center and we're going into apartment number 514. This is a studio apartment on floor 5 on the north side of this 6th floor building. Let's take a look. You can see right away in here that this has a different kitchen than we've seen in the other apartments. So this is a unique kitchen here in number 514. We've got the updated cabinets and countertop here in the apartment. That's unique again to this apartment. That's some nice features in here. I like that little microwave shelf and that cute little glass front cabinet over there. The rest of the appliances are all the same. The stove, dishwasher, refrigerator. Let's go on into the main part of the apartment. Over on the left, we do have that large closet, just like we have in the other units here in the building. So a nice closet space in here. We'll go in through the apartment. The apartment itself is the same as the others that you've seen here in the building. We've got the dresser, dining table and chair, the bed. You can see the nice large window, the air conditioner over here on the other side. We've got the bookshelf and desk and chair situated. Let's go on over and take a look out the window. We are on the north side of the building, so that's the Dryden Road or street side. We're looking over to the west over this way. And down below is Dryden Road. So we've got some nice people watching down there, which is great to have here in Central Collegetown, to look out your window and see what everybody's up to in the neighborhood. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom as the final part. And over here we do have that nice large bathroom. So you can see in here we've got the full-size tub shower, the vanity and sink. We've got the toilet over here. Oops, go the other way. There we go. Toilet over here. So that's the bathroom here in the apartment. So that's a look at the apartment number 514. So we're in a north rectangle on the 5th floor here in Collegetown Center, which is the same layout but with the different kitchen. It has the updated kitchen cabinets and this counter and black backsplash, which is unique to this apartment, number 514 here in Collegetown Center. We're located at 151 Dryden Road, right in Central Collegetown, and we're just 1 block from campus.